I'm here just to tell you why you are here and also where we are taking you to today. The theme, obviously, you all know with the communication, with the marketing, that it is wisdom of this era. Why wisdom of this era? It is because, being in corporate, I understand that we are in what you call the VUCA world. And the VUCA world, in an era where everything is volatile, there's a lot of uncertainties, complexities, and ambiguity. And that challenge is not only from a business perspective, but it flows right into the people's lives. And because of our love as women and my love for God, we just thought, look, what is it that we can give men to empower themselves to navigate this VUCA world? As a man, you've got to live life intentionally. You can't live life by accident and think that there is luck. There is no luck in life. There's only grace in life. So stay away from thinking that life will give you any luck. There's no luck. If there was luck in life, we'll all be billionaires, we'll all be winning the lottos. And when you come up with a plan, you don't come up with a plan not knowing what the plan will actually realize or derive. You go into a plan knowing what you'll derive out of that plan. And once you've known what you're going to derive from that plan, then it could be in a form of a reward. If you're doing your plans without God in it, you're doing it in vain. You're having your plans in vain. So Proverbs 16:9 reads as follows: "The heart of a man plans his way, but the Lord establishes it." Which is why I was saying, look, if you're planning outside God, it's in vain. I don't care how clever you are, but it is all in vain. If you pump yourself with faith, faith is a substance of things hoped for and an evidence of things not seen. But you need to pump yourself with faith in order to execute that plan. Without faith, you cannot execute that plan. And the wisdom of this era, if you're working out of flesh and you do not have faith, there's quite a lot of opposition that you will get that will stop you from realizing that plan. The Bible says a wise man leaves inheritance for his children's children. That is found in the book of Proverbs 13:22. But the wealth of the sinner is stored up for the righteous. So whichever way, if you're a righteous person, you win in either way, because when you've got God on your side, there's certain elements that get cooked for that purpose. For me as Joe, if I am humbled, I know it's a lesson that I'm learning to make myself better so that I don't get through getting humbled again. I don't see it as a negative for too long. It can be a lesson for that day, but after that day, for me, I'm just getting stronger. I don't care if your leg is broken. Let that not discourage you. I don't care if you're in a stretcher or if you're in a hospital bed. Let that not discourage you, because it all works good for those who are called according to his purpose. You can imagine, you can be on a stretcher bed in hospital, and God is taking you away from a danger that could have implicated you somewhere. As men, acknowledge that we are made in the image of God, and there's many dimensions of things that are happening to make our completeness. Wisdom, understanding, and knowledge. That's what you need for each and every area of your life that you're confronted with. But those things are balanced by one thing that is so important. It is adhering the principle of dependence. Many men are selfish, and you can't get to your full potential if you are selfish. God works with dependence. God cannot heal the next person without me being present. So if you're a person that wants to be in that space of being wise, which is what we are here about today, you cannot be wise if you can't discern. But some attacks are there to distract you. It will be because you're about to get to your destiny. So they come at that point in time, but if you're a person that does not discern, you'll be taken and focused on the challenge